trapped in the hood. Realest niggas. The dark nights make me feel unnoticed. Ran against my window and my life camera unfocused. My niggas hustle hard, put their life on the line for a false dream. Kim game a bunch of false prophets. Need the black man to step it up. You ain't gotta change, but the gun shit enough. Ain't nobody dodging these bullets except us. Ain't nobody hating on niggas except cops. In the background, suckers who saying shit, trying to blackball the guard, get your neighbors killed. Tied up with the door behind them. Hitting licks was the only thing I knew besides grinding. Had to face 36 to see the new life. Cop the plea, and I told lies. The cord was a boat ride. Public defender, gon' die. No money, then I won't fly. Niggas think before you move. Need to speak before you cry. You gotta live before you die. Get me out the hood. I'm ready to go, Lil B. I need to get out the hood. Red Flame, this for anybody that's stuck in the hood.